It's August 27th, 2023. The garden is slowly turning more yellow and red as we approach autumn. Here's the lavender, and you can see there's still some new flowers forming. Here are some of the newer flowers. Here's the grape. The fruits are all turning purple now. They're not too big, but this will be my first grape harvest. So very excited for that. I think these should be ready for harvest in maybe 2 weeks or so. I'm not sure, I've never harvested grapes before. But yeah, we have quite a few. Some of them are pretty small, like these ones over here. Here's the blueberry. It looks like it's sending out some new growth, like these ones over here. Not too much fruits to harvest anymore. This year has been kind of slow and a little bit for blueberry. Here's the asparagus. You can see the fruits are matured now. And we're getting a lot of the stink bugs on the asparagus. Here's the raspberry. You can see there's more fruits that's maturing, and these can be harvested today. Here's a bunch of them. Here's more bunches. And here's the broccolini. It's heavily infested with aphids. And over here's the Chinese lantern plant. If you look very closely, you can see some web-like structures on the plant. Those are spider mites. And this is the harvest I did today for raspberry. And the hoya plant is flowering right now. You can see here's the opened flowers from this hoya plant. And it's September 3rd, 2023 now. You can see more of the grapefruits are now turning purple. Pretty much most of them, I guess. Some of them are still green, so I think I'm gonna wait a little bit more to harvest them. Maybe I can pick one of them and try to eat them, see what they taste like. That will probably be a good indicator of how mature the fruits are. These are pretty cute tiny grapes. And here's another harvest on September 3rd from the raspberry plant. And some of them are overripe and have fallen on the ground.